Shiba Inu is a type of cryptocurrency, also known as digital currency, that can only be purchased online. Its value surged in 2021 several times over, but it still trades for pennies on the dollar. According to CoinMarketCap, this is enough to make the coin one of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies. But don't confuse this coin with the Japanese dog breed that inspired its name. But what exactly is Shiba Inu? Furthermore, how does it work? Here's all you need to know about Shiba Inu and how they work. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow, and we're back with another incredible video. So please, subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of every new upload. Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based altcoin whose mascot is a Shiba Inu, the Japanese hunting dog breed. Shiba Inu is commonly referred to as a Dogecoin alternative. In fact, its proponents refer to it as the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are meme coins, which are cryptocurrencies connected with a theme. For Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, it's the Shiba Inu dog. These types of coins are frequently introduced as a parody or inside joke, rather than as a digital commodity with actual utility. While Dogecoin was established in December 2013, Ryoshi, an unidentified individual or group, invented Shiba Inu in August of 2020. Shiba Inu's value increased more than tenfold in October 2021, giving it a market capitalization of $35 billion as of October 31st, placing it 10th among all cryptocurrencies by this metric. This joke coin's price increase was sparked by Tesla CEO Elon Musk posting a picture of his new Shiba Inu puppy, Floki, on Twitter on October 4th, 2021. Musk's cryptic tweets often result in increased volatility in the cryptocurrency market because he is one of the most high-profile proponents of Dogecoin and the self-proclaimed Doge father. Shiba Inu's price spike in October 2021 nearly caught up to Dogecoin's market value of almost $37 billion as of October 31st, after temporarily halting. It remains to be seen whether Shiba Inu will fulfill the expectations of its expanding network of supporters, known as the SHIB Army, by becoming the Dogecoin killer. But in October 2021, Shiba Inu, a previously unknown cryptocurrency, was hot on the Doge's tail as its price skyrocketed. The Shiba Inu's ecosystem's guiding principles are written out in a WOOF document, a pun on white paper, which may be found on the ShibaToken.com website. Shiba Inu was created in response to the simple question, what would happen if a cryptocurrency project was run entirely by its community? According to Ryoshi, the power of collective decentralization can create something stronger than a centralized team ever could. The SHIB Army's nearly 500,000 members believe in these fundamental ideas. The project began at the beginning, with zero, in the spirit of producing something from nothing. It was not created as part of a pre-existing community or team, and they are passionate about Shiba Inu dogs. Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, which means it is created and hosted on the Ethereum blockchain rather than on its own. According to Ryoshi, they picked Ethereum to develop the Shiba Inu ecosystem because it was already secure and well-established and allowed the project to remain decentralized. Let's now discuss the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is made up of 3 different tokens. Of course, there's the Shiba Inu. This is the project's primary unit. Starting with a supply of 1 quadrillion coins, Ryoshi placed half in Uniswap for liquidity and the other half in Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin's possession for protection. When India was hit by the Delta variant of the coronavirus in May 2021, Buterin contributed more than 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins, valued at over $1 billion at the time, to a COVID-19 relief fund in India. Buterin also burned or permanently removed from circulation 40% of Shiba Inu's entire supply to a dead wallet shortly after. The Leash is the second. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's second token, Leash, represents the opposite end of the spectrum. with a total supply of only 107,546 tokens compared to the billions of Shiba Inu tokens. The Bone is the third one. With a total of 250 million tokens, Bone falls in between the other two tokens in terms of circulation supply. It is intended to serve as a governance token, allowing the SHIB army to vote on upcoming proposals. The Shiba Inu ecosystem also features the following, in addition to the 3 tokens. ShibaSwap is a swapping system for Shibas. ShibaSwap, a DeFi platform, aims to create a secure environment for cryptocurrency trading while also staying decentralized. ShibaSwap is the greatest place to buy and sell SHIB and Leash. The Shiba Inu Incubator is also located there. The incubator wants to find new ways to recognize creativity and inventiveness beyond popular creative platforms like painting, photography, and computer animation. And then there's the Shiboshis. Shiboshis are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, created by Shiba Inu and published on the Ethereum blockchain. Each Shiboshi has different characteristics that make it unique and collectible. If you're thinking about getting Shiba Inu, there are specific canine terms you'll need to know, so keep watching. In keeping with that dog motif, the aforementioned Shiba Inu woof paper employs canine words to illustrate how returns might be generated from Shiba Inu tokens. These tokens can be used to dig for liquidity, bury for token stakes, and even fetch to trade one token for another on ShibaSwap. According to the woof paper, tokens employed in these tactics create woof returns in the form of bone tokens, which are dispersed to token pools known as puppy pools. Part of the appeal of meme coins for cryptocurrency aficionados is that they disregard traditional protocols. This unconventional approach could extend to the use of canine terminology to define return schemes. However, they are quite distanced from traditional investment words like return on investment and liquidity. Hey everyone, we've made it halfway through our video and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. How do you go about purchasing a Shiba Inu? The following steps for a potential purchase of SHIB or Leash tokens are detailed in the ShibaToken.com Quick Start Guide. To begin, you need to have or create a MetaMask wallet. Next, you should send Ethereum (ETG) to your wallet by purchasing it directly or transferring it from an exchange like Coinbase utilizing the ERC20 network. Then, connect your MetaMask wallet to ShibaSwap. Congratulations! You can now swap ETG for SHIB, Leash, or Bone tokens if you follow the first 3 steps correctly. If you're thinking about investing, be careful. Here are some things to think about while buying Shiba Inu. Because of their tremendous volatility and lack of regulation, investing in cryptocurrencies is already risky. The lack of uniqueness and the fact that the majority of their value is based on frantic trading by their obsessive supporters makes investing in the altcoin and meme coin arena extra challenging. Here are some things to think about before investing in Shiba Inu. The first is the low price. Shiba Inu costs a fraction of a cent even with its recent advances. Therefore, a few $100s can buy millions of SHIB tokens. $100 will get you over 1.5 million SHIB tokens at the current price as of October 31st, 2021. You should also think about the limited utility and use case. Despite the fact that Shiba Inu-based NFTs are now available, and its Ethereum base may provide smart contracting capabilities in the future, Shiba Inu has extremely limited usefulness and no compelling use case at this time. The next one sure sounds promising, but beware the skyrocketing price. Shiba Inu's market valuation of $35 billion puts it in the same league as many S&P 500 firms that have been there for decades and have generated sales and profits for the majority of that period. In fact, as of October 28, 2021, the total value of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin was $79 billion, surpassing the market capitalization of 388 S&P 500 businesses. Shiba Inu has achieved its creator Ryoshi's goal of generating something from nothing in spades, thanks to that eye-popping return. However, those gains could have been propelled by speculative fervor, spurred on by social media as cryptocurrency fans search for the next big thing. Retail investors who bought at the top of the market may be left holding the bag if the bubble bursts. Have you ever wondered why Shiba Inus are known as Dogecoin killers? Well, according to Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi, it earned the nickname the Dogecoin killer because the value of SHIB is primed and ready to overtake the value of Dogecoin. Ryoshi also added that even if SHIB never reaches 1 cent, it will be worth proportionately more than Dogecoin because of its publicity and utility. Shiba Inu is, in general, a high-risk, speculative investment. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, and SHIB's recent advances could put it at risk of a significant drop. Shiba Inu has a relatively limited function, and its value is dependent primarily on a speculative frenzy generated by social media. Will you invest in it? That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video.